Hi guys. In YouTube video editor, when I try to trim and cut and adding audio, it shows the audio track can't be added because the video contains multi-language audio tracks. Okay. I also trim and cut. This video can't be trimmed because it contains multi-language audio tracks and so forth. I don't know. So what we can do, we have to go to this languages section of your video. Now you will see audio tracks are published for your uh, subtitles of each language. So what you have to do, delete one by one. Currently not giving us chance to delete all by one click. Okay, on deleting one by one. Hopefully that's not gonna take a year. Okay, I deleted all of these audio tracks. Then we can go to editor and try to refresh. Now those are visible. We can add audios, we can trim the video and so forth. Alright, if this video helps, please subscribe. Thank you so much.